Last exercise is of area related to the circle, 12.3. There is no new formula for this exercise. The first question is, this is a circle and this is the diameter. Doesn't matter. It is PQR, where QR is the diameter of the circle, and you have to find the area of this shaded portion, this one and this one. Okay, this is a circle having the radius is PQ is 24 centimeter. PQ, where is PQ? PQ is 24 centimeter, and PR is 7 centimeter. And you have to find the area of the shaded portion. How can you find the area of the shaded portion? First, we have to do. What we have to do? Dishan?
पहले segment.
But for segment, we should know the radius of the circle.
Triangle में.
हाँ. Which one? Heroes? नहीं था.
Right angle.
हाँ. According to theorem, we know that the angle of the semicircle is of 90. Since this is diameter and diameter always subtend angle 90 at the circle. So ये जो angle है कितने का है? It is of 90. है ना? और by using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the value of QR. And QR is the diameter of the circle. That's why we can find the value of radius of the circle. है ना? Then
side.
Suppose by using Pythagoras theorem, we find the diameter is QR is 25 centimeter. So QR is 25 centimeter. Now what will you do? Radius will be 25.2 centimeter. Then how can you find the area of this shaded portion? This one. There is no new formula for this exercise. Just think and answer. Dishan?
Area of semicircle.
हाँ.
Minus area of triangle.
Yes. The area of semicircle, if we subtract the area of this triangle from this semicircle, we can find the area of this shaded portion. It's easy, है ना? आपने semicircle का area निकाला, उसमें से triangle माइनस कर दिया, तो क्या shaded portion का area आ जाएगा या नहीं? Can you do yourself? Achal, what is the area of the semicircle? Dishan से करो. Area of semicircle. Okay, for semicircle, what is the value of theta?
90/360.
Beta, for semicircle, the area of the semicircle, this is a circle and this is a semicircle. The half part of the circle is called the semicircle. So, how can you find the area of the semicircle?
Area of semicircle minus area of triangle.
What is the area of semicircle?
24.
Huh? Actually, you don't know the area of semicircle. Do you know the area of circle? What is the area of circle?
2 pi.
2 pi is the circumference of the circle. What is the area of the circle?
Pi r square.
Pi r square. Semicircle means the half circle. So what should be the area of the semicircle? Pi r square is the area of the circle, and semicircle is half the circle. It means the area will be pi r square upon 2. Okay? So the area of semicircle is pi r square upon 2. Or if you are using the property theta upon 360, then theta is 180 here. अगर आपको यूज करना है तो अदरवाइज सिंपल है pi r square upon 2. Clear? And what is the area of this triangle? 90 upon area of triangle. The 90 upon theta upon 360 is the formula for sector, not for the triangle. What is the area of triangle? Okay, what is the base here? Base is? Huh? Okay, the height is? QR. For right angle triangle, राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल है, these are the base and the height. ये बेस है और ये हाइट है, ये सामने वाला हाइपोटेनस है, ये बेस हाइट नहीं होता है, ठीक है। For right angle triangle, area is 1/2 base into height. These are the base which form the right angle. ठीक है ना? Okay, sit down please. Can you do yourself? Ajendra, can you do yourself this question? No. Okay. First the area of first of all we will find the diameter of the circle. By using the Pythagoras theorem, you will write angle P is equal to 90, and you have to write down here that the angle on the semicircle is of 90. Angle on semicircle is of 90. So by using Pythagoras theorem in triangle PQR, RQ square is equal to RP square plus PR square by using Pythagoras theorem. So QR square is equal to OP is how much? 24 square plus 7 square. So I 76 plus 49. I think the sum will be 625. So RQ is equal to plus minus 25 centimeter. Negative, we have to negate the negative value. So we will write it like the QR is equal to 25 centimeter. And the radius of the circle? Radius of circle is equal to how much? 25 upon 2 centimeter. Okay, now the area of shaded portion is equal to area of semicircle minus area of triangle. Semicircle is pi r square upon 2 minus triangle is 1/2 into base into height. Ajendra, can you calculate yourself or not? Thank you. Okay. After calculation, you can find the answer of question first. Second question. I'm going to rub this board. Ajay. Now the question number second. This is the figure of the question. 2 concentric circles. And the angle at the center is of 40. ACBD. This is the portion of which you have to find the area. Angle at the center is of 40 and the radius of the two circles. Two circles are here, the smaller one and the larger one. The radius of the smaller circle is 7 cm and the larger is 14 cm. Ajay, how can we find the area of this shaded portion? How can you find the area of the shaded portion? Do you know the formula for the finding the area of sector? Ajay, no. This is a circle and this portion is called the sector. If we join 2 points of the circle with the center, this portion is called the sector, pizza. And this angle is called as theta. So the area of this is theta upon 360 pi r square. Okay, this is called the sector. Now, can you find the area of this portion? Ajendra, how can you find the area of this portion? You have to find the area of this portion only, not this Ashish, how can you find area of this portion?
area of sector minus
हाँ, area of which sector?
area of sector minus
Which sector? नाम तो होगा सेक्टर का, कौन से सेक्टर का एरिया माइनस करने वाले का वो नहीं पता। आंचल,
Area of minor sector minus area of major sector.
उल्टा बोल दिया आपने, एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेक्टर माइनस एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर। अजय देखो ध्यान से फिगर को, अगर आप इतने पोर्शन में से इसको माइनस करोगे तो ये बचेगा या नहीं? साथ ही आप करोगे एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेक्टर, दैट इज थीटा अपॉन 360 into pi r square. This is the area of the major sector. Since the radius of the major sector is 14 minus the area of the minor sector, that is 40 upon 360 pi into 7 square. And for this question you can take 40 upon 360 pi as a common, so it will be easy to calculate. 360 pi, it will be 14 square minus 7 square. And we can even calculate the 14 square minus 7 square by using the identity a square minus b square. It will be easy to calculate the questions now. So, can you find any of the shaded portion now? Ajay, is it clear or not? समझ में कुछ आया? कैसे निकला इसका? इस पूरे में से ये वाला पोर्शन जो नहीं है इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया, तो ये आ गया एरिया ऑफ द शेडेड पोर्शन. Okay, sit down please. This is only the rough view of the question. You can write it for few information, for some information. And you have to do this question in your homework, in your notebook properly, है ना? पूरा स्टेटमेंट के साथ लिख के करना है. अभी रफ्ली नोट कर सकते हो ताकि घर में याद रहे कि क्वेश्चन कैसे करना था. Now the question third. May I have this one? Okay. Now the question third. This is a square and these are two semicircles. The side of the square is 14 centimeter and these are two semicircles. The side is 14 centimeter. Tabling. You have to find the area of this portion which is not in the semicircle. No. Kashish, how can you find the area of this portion, shaded portion?
Area of semicircle minus area of semicircle.
Just think, can you separate the area of square from the semicircle? बेटे सेमीसर्कल तो ये है, स्क्वायर ये पूरा है, आप सेमीसर्कल में से स्क्वायर को कैसे माइनस कर दोगे? कशिश, ट्राई अगेन.
Area of semicircle को minus करेंगे.
हाँ, किस में से? किस में से? हाँ, इस सेमीसर्कल में से इसको माइनस कर देंगे. ठीक है, सोच के तो देखो, ये शेडेड का एरिया निकालना है, दिमाग तो लगाओ कैसे निकल सकता होगा. इसमें से इसको माइनस करके क्या होने वाला है? कुछ भी नहीं. दोनों सेमीसर्कल सेम है, दोनों का रेडियस सेम है, दोनों का डायमीटर सेम है, दोनों का एरिया भी सेम होगा. ऋतिका, बिल्कुल. कशिश सोचिए, if we separate the two semicircles from this square, what will left? This portion will be left now, जिसका आपको एरिया फाइंड करना है. तो स्क्वायर में से आपने क्या किया? सेमीसर्कल का एरिया माइनस कर दिया. Okay, sit down please. Can you do yourself? Ajay, what is the formula for the area of the semicircle? Area of semicircle. Ajay, what is the area of circle? Ajay, what is the problem? हाँ? 10th में नया मैथ्स लिया, 6th क्लास से मैथ्स पढ़ रहे हो. Residents of class 6 also know the but we don't know the area of circle. Anshul, what is the area of semicircle?
Pi
Pi
square.
square upon 2. Area of circle is pi square divided by 2 is the area of semicircle. Is it clear? Okay. Sit down please. Can you do yourself?
Yes.
Okay. Now the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4. This is the figure of the question. Equilateral triangle having this circle, side 6 and 12. This is the center of the circle, or the circle having the radius 6 cm, and the side of the triangle is 12 cm. This is an equilateral triangle. You have to find the area of this whole figure. Means this all portion is shaded. So you have to find the area of this whole figure. Priyanshu, area of the figure. This is an equilateral triangle. Triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle having the radius 6 and the side of the triangle is 12 cm.
First we will find the area of triangle.
First we will find the area of the triangle. What is the area of the triangle?
Of equilateral triangle.
Yes.
Root 3 upon 4 side square.
Good. So we know the area of the triangle is root 3 upon 4 side square. Okay, I am writing here. Root 3 upon 4 into side square. This is the area of the triangle. Okay, then
the area of triangle.
area of triangle तुमने निकाल दिया. अब क्या करना है?
60 degree है ना, तो 360 minus 60.
Very good. We know this angle is of 60. Since all the angle of equilateral triangle is of 60, so we can easily find the area of this angle. Sorry, we can find this angle, the major angle. This is 360 minus 60. It is 300. Priyanshu, then
Then theorem theta of 360 into pi r.
good. So we can find the area of this sector by using simple formula, that is theta 1/360 pi r square, where theta is 300 and r is 6. So we can add this portion of sector with the triangle and we can find the area of this whole figure. That is 300 upon 360 into pi r square. Now can you do this question yourself?
Yes.
Thank you. अपना याद रहे कैसे करना है, इसके यहाँ पे रफली नोट कर सकते हो और घर जाके प्रॉपर्ली हम से स्टेटमेंट के साथ इस क्वेश्चन को करेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. This is a square ABCD and there are 4 quadrants at the corners of this square like this. These are 4 quadrants. Side of the square is 4 cm. Okay, the quadrant, the square 4 cm. Quadrant of the circle radius 4 cm. This is 4 and the radius is 1 cm. Okay, so all the quadrants have the radius 1 cm and the side of the square is 4 cm. So, okay, there is also circle in the center having the diameter 1. The diameter is 1. Okay, so the radius is 1 cm. Diameter is 2. Sorry, 2. So you have to find the area of the remaining portion, this whole portion. Daisy,
Yes, ma'am.
how can you find it? Can I rub this one? हाँ? Question ये वाला कौन सा था? 4 था. Yes, Daisy.
मैम पहले जो हमारे पास हुआ ना सेक्टर्स
हाँ।
भाग देंगे फिर उसके बाद ये सर्कल है.
So what is the area of the sector?
एरिया ऑफ द सेक्टर
हाँ।
360 into pi r.
Okay, what is the value of theta here?
Theta 90 degree.
90 degree. Square है, 4 एंगल 90 के होंगे. So we can easily find the area of the sector, each sector. Okay, by using the formula.
Then we will find the area of circle
Okay.
by pi r square.
Pi r square
Then we will subtract it with the area of this square.
square. Okay, good. Sit down. आप इन चारों कॉर्नर्स को और इस सर्कल को इस पूरे स्क्वायर में से माइनस कर दोगे तो शेडेड का एरिया निकल सकता है ना. So we can find area of the shaded portion, area of the square minus area of 4 sector, that is 4 into 90 upon 360 pi r square plus this is the area of the 4 sectors and what is the area of the circle? This is pi r square. So we can subtract the area of circle and the 4 find the area of the shaded portion. Can you do yourself? इसको रफली नोट कर लेंगे ताकि आप घर में ध्यान रहे क्वेश्चन क्या था, कैसे करना था. Now the next question number 6. वैसे तो ये अकॉर्डिंग टू सिलेबस है नहीं हमारे, क्योंकि इसमें डिफिकल्टी यूज होगा. क्या पता चले, चलो नहीं करवाते. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 या करवा लेते हैं. सिलेबस में नहीं है एक्चुअली, सेंटर का एंगल 120 बन रहा है इसमें, पर कर लेते हैं. अगर समझ में आए तो बेटर है, नहीं आए तो कोई टेंशन नहीं है. ये सिलेबस नहीं है नहीं इसका. ड्रॉप कर दो. Now the question number 6. This is a circle having an equilateral triangle. We know that the sides of equilateral triangle are equal and all the angle is of 60. So this is a क्या है, shaded नहीं है, design. In a circular tablecloth cover of radius 32 centimeter, a design is formed leaving the equilateral triangle ABC in the middle as shown in the figure. Find area of the shaded area of the design. Sorry. So the radius of the circle is 32 centimeter. This is the center of the circle and ABC is the equilateral triangle. We know the radius of the circle is 32 centimeter. For this question, we have to do construction. And what is the construction here? Draw the perpendicular. Okay. Now we know that this whole angle is of 60. Wherefore, what are we doing in a notebook? Don't worry now. बाद में करना, मैं समझा दूँ. ये पूरा एंगल कितने का होता है? 60. So what is the value of this angle? 30. 60 का हाफ होगा ना. अगर आप चाहो तो दोनों ट्रायंगल्स कॉन्वेंट भी करके दिखा सकते हो, पर दिखाना नहीं, हमें पता होना चाहिए. इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल है तो ये 60 का हाफ 30 ही होगा. ठीक है. अब कंस्ट्रक्शन करोगे तो परपेंडिकुलर की तभी प्रूफ हो जाता है कि दोनों ट्रायंगल्स कॉन्वेंट है. सब ये एंगल आ गया 30. By using trigonometry, how can we find the value of BD? By using trigonometry, you know the length of BO. BO is the hypotenuse. So how can you find the value of BD? You know one angle, 30 का angle है.
Sin 30. The cos.
Cos 30. Actually, cos is based upon hypotenuse. We need base and we have the value of hypotenuse. So by using cos 30, we can find the value of base. By using 10, if you are using the 10 30, you should know any one of the values of in base and in height. ना base पता है ना height पता है. So by using hypotenuse, you have to find the base. It means you will use cos. So we can use cos 30 is equal to base BD upon hypotenuse is 32. 32. What is the value of cos 30? Root 3 upon 2. Yes, good. Root 3 upon 2 is equal to BD upon 32. So what is the value of BD? BD is equal to 16 root 3 centimeter. Is it clear? This question is not in our syllabus now, but अगर समझ में आ रहा है तो बेटर है, नहीं आ रहा है तो टेंशन नहीं है. So by using trigonometry, we can find the value of BD. Now we know the perpendicular bisect the base, so we can find the length of BC. It will be double. So what is the length of BC? BC is 32 root 3 centimeter. Now I think it is easy to calculate the area of the design. Q member, how can you find the area of the design now?
Minus.
What minus? No.
ABC.
हाँ.
is a diagram of a triangle.
हाँ. We can subtract the area of the triangle from the circle, and what is the area of the circle? Area of the circle is pi r square. You know the radius is 32 centimeter, and the area of the triangle is
Area of triangle. Half this. अच्छा इसको.
This is an equilateral triangle.
Under root 3 by.
Root 3.4 into sin square. So by subtracting the area of the triangle from the circle, we can find the area of the design. So in this question, we have to use a trigonometry. trigonometric ratio. We know the length of hypotenuse, so we can find the base by using the cos 30. And after finding the base, we can find the length of the side of the equilateral triangle, and by this we can find the area of the side. So ये क्वेश्चन आपकी इच्छा है, आप करना चाहे तो कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो नहीं भी कर सकते क्योंकि सिलेबस में नहीं है. Okay? So please start on this one. Next time we can do continue with this question. इतना क्वेश्चन नोट करो फिर याद रहेगा आपको. शांत रहेगा नोट डाउन. क्यों नहीं? अभी मैथ्स लेनी है ना, तो क्यों नहीं? सिलेबस हटा है इस बार 11 को नहीं हटने वाला. These all questions are incomplete and you have to complete all the questions. ठीक है? Tomorrow I will check your notebook. पाँच मिनट का ब्रेक लेंगे. Now can I have this one? Huh? Now question number 7. ABCD is a square and there are 4 circles. This is a square and there are 4 circles and all the corners of the square having the center as the vertex of the square. The figure clear, अच्छा नहीं, but doesn't matter. The side of the square is 14 centimeter. The side is 14 centimeter. ABCD is a square and these are the circles. 4 circles. You have to find the area of this shaded portion. Now, who want to answer? Please raise your hand. Please yes, raise your hand. Who want to answer this question? Only 2. Only 2 out of 10. 3, 4. बस. Ajay, will you try? No. Pratika, पहले ही हार मान जाते हो. आगे क्या होगा? आशीष, अभिषेक, sorry, अभिषेक. Will you try this question?
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Now first we find the area of a square.
Okay, we will find the area of the square. Side into side, है ना? 14 into 14. I'm writing here. 14 into 14. This is the area of the square. Now.
We know the side of angle of the square 90 degree.
Yes, we know that this angle is of 90.
So 14 का half करके 7 उसका radius निकल जाएगा.
Okay, okay. So we can find the radius of all the circles, all the 4 circles. So radius of all the circle will be 7 centimeter. Okay. सही, बिल्कुल सही बता रहे हो. आगे कंटिन्यू करो. You need only this portion, this shaded portion. What will you do?
When then we subtract the area of a square minus.
हाँ. Good. Area of the square minus which portion you have to subtract? Abhishek, which portion you have to subtract for finding this area? कुछ भी बोलो जो आपके दिमाग में आ रहा है.
And the remaining circles
हाँ.
we subtract by square.
अच्छा एक बात बताओ, रिमेनिंग सर्कल का एरिया कितना होगा?
90
हाँ.
upon 360
Good.
into pi square.
Pi r square. This is the area of the one coordinate, and you need how many coordinates?
4.
4 coordinates. So what will you do? You will find the area of all 4 coordinates and will subtract from the area of the square. और ऐसे करके आप निकाल सकते हो एरिया ऑफ द रिमेनिंग पोर्शन को. अभिषेक से ना बेटा. सो अब क्या करना है आपने? स्क्वायर में से देखो कितना सिंपल फिगर है. मुझे समझ नहीं आता बात ट्राई क्यों नहीं करते हो आप लोग? कितना सिंपल फिगर है. स्क्वायर में से दिख रहा है ये चारों कोऑर्डिनेट को सबट्रैक्ट करना है. आराम से शेडेड पोर्शन निकलेगा. सो ये द स्क्वायर इज 14 into 14 and what should be the area of the coordinate? 4 coordinate will be 1/14. and 1/4 is the area of the quadrant, है ना, 1/4 pi r square. So can you do yourself? Okay, good. Question number 8. This is an important question of NCERT book. The distance between the two inner parallel line segment is 60 meter. So this one is 60 meter. ये दोनों inner parallel line से इनके बीच का distance दिया 60 सेंटीमीटर, 60 meter sorry, not centimeter. And they are each 106 meter long. This is 106 meter. The length of these parallel sides. If the track is 10 meter wide, okay. For finding the length of the inner edge, what will we do? The length of this track is 106 meter, है ना? The length of this side is 106. And what is the length of this portion? Actually, this is a semicircle, and we know that the circle cross of the circle is 2 pi r. So what will be the length of the semicircle cross? It will be 2 pi r upon 2, that is pi into r. So what is the length of this portion? It will be pi r. And again this one is 106 and this one is pi r. So we can easily calculate the length of this track, है ना? ये तो हो गया. This is the first portion, first part. इस क्वेश्चन को मैं करवा दूंगी. And the second part is you have to find the area of the track. This is a track. And how can we find the area of this track?
parts में divide करते हैं.
हाँ, we will divide it into different parts, like the 4 parts से divide कर सकते हैं. एक ये हो गया, second one is this one, this is the third one, and this one is the fourth one. Nishan, can you explain how can we find area?
In first और third का तो area of rectangle.
Yes. Actually, the first and the third part is the rectangle. So we can find the area of the rectangle, that is 106 into 10. Okay. And this portion, like this is like this. ऐसे तो नहीं, इसका कैसे निकालोगे? ये तो है.
60 over minus 80 हो जाएगा. 80 radius 40.
अच्छा, पूरा डायमीटर 80 हो जाएगा. आप ये कह रहे हो रेडियस 40 हो जाएगा. ओके. हाँ गुड. यहाँ से यहाँ तक का जो रेडियस आएगा 40 आएगा. 40 अंदर का 10 ट्रैक की विड्थ है. So the radius of the outer circle is semicircle is 40 meter. Now how can we find the area of this one?
पहले तो radius 40 लेके area निकालेंगे.
हाँ.
फिर उसे ये अंदर वाले सर्कल से माइनस कर देंगे.
ठीक है, वो एरिया क्या निकालेंगे? बाहर वाले का फॉर्मूला. हाँ. Good. Good. Very good. So now, actually this is the half portion of the ring. Suppose this is a circle and this is the half portion of the ring. So how can we find the area of the half portion of the ring? We will separate the inner area from the outer one. So what is the area of the inner portion? Pi into 40 square minus 40. This is the area of the outer portion, and pi into 30 square is the area of the inner portion. Are you getting? Ajendra, outer area is pi r square of the circle and inner area is pi r square of the inner circle. So by subtracting the inner circle from the outer one, we can find the area of this track. Since it is a semicircle, so by dividing it by 2, we can find the area of the semicircular portion. है ना? आपने कहा आपने rectangle का area निकाला, फिर आपने semicircular portion का area निकाला like this, again फिर rectangle और फिर semicircle. So we can find the area of the portion. This is the track. समझ में आया? किसी को डाउट है? मैं पूछूंगी फिर अभी लिखवाते हुए. ओके? एग्री? फिर से बताना है, क्या बताना है बोलो. बताओ क्या चीज समझ नहीं आया, तुम समझाती हो. क्या समझ नहीं आया? हाँ. क्योंकि डायमीटर पूरा यहाँ से यहाँ तक 80 हो गया. 60 था ना अंदर का. ये 10 और 10 विड्थ है. तो आउटर कितना हो गया? 80 हो गया. and the radius will be 40. ठीक है ना? और जो ये पोर्शन है दिस इज अ सेमी सर्कुलर पोर्शन, ऐसा ही है रिंग का हाफ. अब इसका एरिया आप कैसे निकालोगे? पूरे में से अंदर वाले को सब्ट्रैक्ट करके निकालोगे ना. तो बस ये हाफ है इसलिए अपन दो कर दिया हमने. पूछोगे ओके. फर्स्ट वी शुड राइट ऑल द वैल्यूज व्हिच इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. जो भी कुछ दिया है हमेशा उसको पहले नोट डाउन करो क्या क्या दिया है क्वेश्चन में, और फिर आगे कंटिन्यू करते हैं. So for the first part, the distance of the track at its inner edge. First part, the distance of track from the inner part, है ना? Inner edge का distance आपने find करना है. So what is the distance, Ashish? What is the distance of the inner track, inner part, inner edge? 106 plus सेमी सर्कल का क्या एरिया नहीं बेटा, आपको लेंथ फाइंड करनी है इस ट्रैक की. ये लेंथ क्या कहलाती है, क्या होता है लेंथ? एरिया नहीं बच्चा, लेंथ ऑफ द लेंथ है, लेंथ एच की क्या बोलेंगे आप इसको? सेमी सर्कल का क्या लेंथ ऑफ द सेमी सर्कल क्या है? तो भी क्या लगता है वहां से यहाँ तक आवाज नहीं आती? हाँ, इसको बोलते हैं सेमी सर्कमफ्रेंस. सर्कमफ्रेंस को हाफ कर दिया आपने, इट इज कॉल्ड सेमी सर्कमफ्रेंस. एंड देन अगेन दिस लेंथ इज 106. एंड व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ दिस वन? कौन सा बताओ? pi r square is the area of the circle. So what is the circumference of the circle? Pi r square is the area. Okay, pi r upon 2 pi r upon 2. Okay, sit down. So the distance of the track will be, it will be L plus pi r plus L plus pi r. First we should note down what is the radius of the inner part. It is 30 and 40 meter. And what is the radius of the outer part? It is 30 plus 10, 40 meter. This is the length of the edge, inner edge. So it will be 106 plus pi r is how much? 22.7 into r is 30 plus 106 plus pi into 30. I think you can calculate yourself. It's not right? Plus. Please calculate it and tell me what is the value. Second part. For second part, we have to find the area of the track, है ना? So what is the area of the track? Daisy. How can you find the area of the track? हाँ, we can divide it into 4 parts, first, second, third and fourth, है ना? The area of the first part is, we can find the area by using the formula of L into P, है ना? The area of rectangle, okay, good. And this one?
इसका जो inner part का square area से बाहर वाले part को
आप कह सकते हो कि ये रिंग का सेमी-सर्कुलर रिंग है. और the area of the semicircular portion, semicircular ring is pi r square minus r square upon 2. Okay, good. और second part, we can find the area by using this formula. Third portion is again rectangle, and the fourth portion is again semicircular ring. Good. Sit down. Okay, please write down this one. Area of track. It will be 106 into 10. This is the area of the rectangular portion. Ajit, have you any problem? Pi into r square minus divided by 2. This is where the semicircle portion, again the rectangle and the semicircle portion. So we can multiply it by 2. So please calculate this one and then tell me what is the answer. Next question number which one? 9. आंसर कितना है बेटा? 4320. 4320. कैलकुलेशन देखो कौन आती है ये? कहाँ बेटा?
माइनस का
वो तो ये प्लस ये माइनस ही लगा रखा है. ये तो 1060 ही आ रहा है ना. ये कितना आ रहा है? अच्छा इंटू 2 नहीं किया. इंटू 2 अच्छा मैंने इसको नहीं करा इंटू 2 की सॉरी. वो खाली इसको कर दिया इंटू 2 ब्रैकेट ओपन करके इसको नहीं किया था ना. इसे कर देते. थैंक यू बेटा. इट विल बी 2120 प्लस हाउ मच? 2200. कितना है? 0 2 3 and 4. Now okay, now the question number 10. Okay, sorry, 9. This is a circle. These are two diameters. Again a circle and this one. You have to find the area of the shaded portion here, and the radius of the circle is I think 7 centimeter, na? OA 7, yes. The area of the circle is 7 centimeter. A, B, C, D. So how do you find the area of the shaded portion? Kashish? Kashish, yes.
area of semicircle minus area of triangle.
Okay. First we will find the area of the semicircle and then subtract from the subtract area of triangle from it. What is the area of the triangle? Okay. What is the base for this triangle?
14.
14 and height is
7.
good. Very good. For this triangle, the base is 14 centimeter and the height is 7 centimeter. So we can easily find the area of the triangle. Okay, good. So by subtracting the area of the triangle from the semicircle, we will find the area of the shaded this portion. Okay, again then.
area of semicircle
हाँ
मतलब area of triangle हो गया. फिर
हाँ ये वाला पोर्शन तो हो गया. अब बचा ये.
area of semicircle minus
No, you need only this portion. Kashish, you need only this portion. You need only this circle, shaded circle. How can you find it in circle?
area of semicircle minus area of semicircle.
Okay, you need this circle only. ये shaded portion circle है सिर्फ. So how can you find the area of this circle?
Pi r square.
Yes, pi r square. And what is the radius here?
3.5
7.
7 तो हो गया ना.
7.2, 3.5, yes. Okay, good. Good, Kashish. Sit down, beta. So is it clear? We can find area of the shaded portion. How can we find it? By area of semicircle, it is pi r square minus area of triangle, it is 1/2 into base into height. And then add this one to the area of the circle, that is pi into r square. Now can you do yourself? Next, question number 10. You can note down this rough calculation in notebook. It will be easy for you to do these questions in at your home. Now this is a figure for the another question, question number 10. The area of the equilateral angle is 17320.5. Meter square, centimeter square. This is the area of the equilateral triangle, which is given like A, B, C. A, B and C. And from the half of the length of the side, we draw 3 circles. And we have to find the area of this shaded portion. This one. Vaibhav, how can you do this question?
Triangle minus 3a.
But we don't know the sides of the triangle, even the radius of the circle. This is the area of the triangle. And the triangle is equilateral. Just think. What can we do? We need the side of the triangle. This is an equilateral triangle and we know the area of the equilateral triangle. How can you find the length of the side? You know the formula for the equilateral triangle? Area of the equilateral triangle. What is the formula? Into side square. Yes. By using the formula of equilateral triangle, that is √3/4 into side square. This is the area for the equilateral triangle, which is given 17320.5. So by using this formula, can you find the length of the side? क्या बेटा? पॉइंट किसके बाद है? 1 के बाद है? 17320.5 है। वो नीचे √3 की वैल्यू। The value of √3 is given in the question. It is 1.73205. This is the value of √3 in the question. So here we can find the length of the side. We can find the side. Side square will be 17320.5 into 4 upon 1.73205. Nothing. 0.8, 2, 3, 4 number 100. Now the side will be the square root of 40,000. It will be 200 plus minus 200. Now you have to write it. Since the length of the side cannot be negative, so we can say the length of the side is 200 centimeter. यहाँ तक कोई प्रॉब्लम है? Ajay. So by using the formula of equilateral triangle, we can find the side of the equilateral triangle. Now we know the length of the BC and AB is 200 centimeter. Now what will we do? Vaibhav? Vaibhav, this is the side of the equilateral triangle. Now
60 triangle. फिर ये semicircle इसका
sector. Or the radius of the sector is
radius
हाँ
upon 2
200 upon 2. Since the length of the side is 200 centimeter and we know that the half of the side is the radius of the circle, so we can say the radius is how much? It is 100 centimeter. So we can easily find the area of the shaded portion by subtracting the three sectors from the equilateral triangle. The area of the equilateral triangle is 1732.0.5 minus the area of the sectors, the three sectors. Three sectors should have the area 3 into theta upon 360 pi r square. Can you do yourself? हाँ अजय कर सकते हो खुद से क्वेश्चन ये वाला? Okay, sit down बेटा. ये बहुत रफ है और in your fair notebook you will write it properly. What is the side and what is the radius of the circle? Sectors, and this is the area of the shaded portion. Next question, question number 11. This is a figure of question. This is a handkerchief and it has 9 circles like this. थोड़ा प्रॉपर नहीं है. This handkerchief has a square. It is square in shape, and the radius of the circles which are there in the handkerchief is 7 centimeter. So find the area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief. So you have to find the area of this remaining portion where the circles are not present in the square. ठीक है, तो इतने पोर्शन का एरिया आपको निकालना है जहाँ जहाँ पे सर्कल नहीं है. This is a handkerchief which is square in shape and it has a 9 circles. The circle having the radius 7 centimeter. You have to find out the area of the remaining portion with the square without circles. How can you find it? Raise your hand. How are going to explain? Only 2, 3. Use your mind. What are you doing? There's nothing, no any other formula for this exercise or for the particular question. Only 3, 4. Priyanshu.
First we will find the area of a circle that is pi square.
Yes, we can find the area of the circle by using the formula pi r square, where radius of the circle is 7 centimeter. Okay.
Then it's 9 circles into 9.
Okay, we can find the area of the 9 circles by multiplying it by 9. Okay, I'm writing here like 9 into pi r square. Okay, this is the area of the 9 circles. Again, Priyanshu.
Subtracted by area of rectangle.
But what is the area of the red square? We don't know the side of the square. How can we find the side of the square? This is the question. How can you find the side of the square? Carefully look at the figure. You will find the answer. Carefully solve the figure.
It's like 3
Yes.
circles.
So what is the length of the one circle? It will be 14. And since 3 circles are here, so it means the total length is 14 into 3. Good, Priyanshu. Good. Sit down. The 3 circles are here and the diameter of the one circle is 14 centimeter. So by multiplying 3 with the 14, we can easily find the length of the square. It will be 42 centimeter. Okay. So by subtracting the area of the 9 circles from the area of the square, we can find the area of the remaining portion. Any one of you have any doubt? Can do yourself? Okay, good. Now the next question. The sides OA, C, this one is B, and this one is D. This is a quadrant having the radius 3.5 centimeter. The radius of the quadrant is 3.5 centimeter. If OD is 2 centimeter, the length of this OD is 2 centimeter. Then I think we have to find the area of the shaded portion. Okay, first you have to find the area of the quadrant. What is the area of the quadrant? No, Ajay, what is the area of the quadrant? OACB is a quadrant. Ajay, area of the quadrant. What is the angle for the quadrant? What is the value of theta in quadrant? Quadrant means? Quadrant means? Yesterday I explained you what is quadrant. Ashish? 90 degree. Quadrant is actually the 1/4 of the circle is called the quadrant. This is a quadrant, and the quadrant has angle of 90 at the center. Okay, so this is a quadrant. What is the area of the quadrant? Ajay, what is the area of the quadrant? जल्दी बोलो, टाइम देखो होने वाला है. See, what are you doing here? You don't know any formula. अभी 2 मिनट पहले जो बताया वो भी सब साफ. आचल, area of the quadrant.
90.360 into pi r square.
Good. So the area of the quadrant is 90.360 pi r square. Okay. So the radius is 3.5 centimeter. You can easily find the area of the quadrant. Now the second part is you have to find the area of the shaded portion. This is the shaded portion. Sit down, beta. This is the shaded portion. Abhishek, how can you find the area of the shaded portion?
By minus the quadrant into right angle triangle, you can find it.
Okay, what is the area of the right angle triangle?
By applying Pythagoras theorem, we can.
We don't know. We don't need the hypotenuse for finding the area. Abhishek, how can we find the area of the shaded portion? What is the area of the triangle here? What is the formula for the area of the triangle?
Area of triangle.
Yes.
1/2 base into
1 upon 2 base into height. For the right angle triangle, what is the base and the height?
The base is 3.5.
And the height is 2 centimeters. So we don't need the hypotenuse for finding the area. Okay, good. So we subtract the area of the triangle from the quadrant. And we can find the area of the shaded portion. So area of the quadrant is this is theta upon 360 pi r square minus the area of the triangle, that is 1 upon 2 into base into height. Can you do this question yourself? Ajendra, can you do this one? आपने क्या करा? कोऑर्डिनेट में से ट्रायंगल माइनस कर दिया. ट्रायंगल के लिए 1 upon 2 base into height. You can write this value for your help at home. Now the question number 13. Question number 13 is this one. Yeah, this is a nice question. And please raise your hand who want to do this question. This is the square in a quadrant O, A, B and C. Q and P. This is the shaded portion. The length of O is 20 centimeter and you have to find the area of the shaded portion. The length of the square is 20 centimeter. Actually, the length of the square is given only, not the radius. So, how can you find the area of the shaded portion? The radius of the quadrant is not given. So, it means we have to find the radius of the quadrant. So, how will you find the radius of the quadrant? Side है यूं ही साइड ओ ए दी हुई है स्क्वायर की साइड है वो and you need OP. Yeah, construction. What is the construction? Very good. Join O and B. Important construction. Then क्या? 90 का हाफ होगा? हाँ। फिर 90 का हाफ करके क्या करोगे इसको? कर लो। हाँ है। आप सिर्फ मुझे ये बताओ, आप रेडियस कैसे फाइंड करोगे इसका?
रेडियस ये 20 है, ये भी 20 है, तो फिर तो 90 साइड का फिर निकाल सकते हैं
कैसे? हाँ. So we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. Actually, this is a right angle triangle. This is a spar, and having the side 20 and 20, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem for finding the value of OB. So OB will be 20 root 2. By using Pythagoras theorem, we can easily find the value of OB. Now, what is the radius of the circle?
Radius 20 root 2 by
20 root 2 by 2.
the circle.
Area, radius of the circle, radius of the quadrant. हाँ. 20 root 2 by 2. Seriously. क्यों?
क्योंकि O से B ना,
हाँ.
तो किसी भी पॉइंट पे सर्कल
हाँ.
किसी भी पॉइंट पे आउटपुट टच करेगा तो
हाँ.
रेडियस
बिल्कुल. बेटे 20 root 2 by 2 नहीं है, 20 root 2 ही है.
20 root 2.
So the radius of the quadrant is 20 root 2. We can find the length of the hypotenuse. The length of the hypotenuse is actually the radius of the quadrant. So हमने OB find कर दिया by using Pythagoras. So the radius of the circle will be 20 root 2. Okay, good. Then how can you find the area of the shaded portion?
minus sector.
From sector we will subtract the area of the square, ना? So सबसे important चीज ये है कि आप रेडियस कैसे फाइंड करोगे. वो important है, कंस्ट्रक्शन जरूरी थी. Pythagoras लगाना था हमने. उसके बाद हमने रेडियस फाइंड कर लिया. So by subtracting the square from the quadrant, we can easily find the area of the shaded portion. Area of the quadrant is how much? Theta upon 360 pi into r square minus area of the square, that is 20 root 2. It will be 20 root 2. root 2 square minus area of the square, that is 20 into 20. Okay? Can you do yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ji. This was the question number 13. Now, 3 questions are there. I think you should try yourself at your home. अगर नहीं होता है तो मैं कल बताऊंगा. 3 questions बचे एक्सरसाइज के. I think you should try to do yourself. Okay, sit down, बेटा.